Hello? Hello?
네,
Yeah. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, I try not to speak in Korean. I try to speak in English with you because your goal is to speak in English fluently. So one by one, maybe I'll just write it down here. And so what I just said was I try not to speak in Korean with you. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, what would that be in Korean sentence?
나는 당신과
Mm-hmm.
한국어로
Mm-hmm.
말하지 않으려고 노력합니다.
Okay, that's right. I try not to speak in Korean with you. I try not to speak in Korean with you. Because your ultimate goal is to be fluent in English. Your ultimate goal is to speak in English fluently. Okay, so what is that?
I don't know ultimate.
Okay, it's fine. Don't worry. I'll teach you. Ultimate. Ultimate. Then what about this? Do you know this word in Korean? Do you understand this Korean word? Okay, in case you don't know, it's fine. Just let's not wait. You can study my class. Like you can't possibly find the dictionary and then look up the dictionary and do other things that you can't. You don't have time. So maybe I can change this sentence like this. If you don't know ultimate, then I can change your final goal. Then do you know final?
Yes.
Cool. What is final then? Final. Final.
마지막.
Yeah, something like this. Yeah, that's actually right. That is final. So your final goal is to okay, what about other words then? Do you know everything here?
Yes.
All right, then. What about fluently? What does that mean?
유창하게.
Very good. Your final goal is to speak in English fluently. Your final goal is to speak in English fluently. Okay. And what would that be in Korean?
당신의 최종 목표는 영어를 유창하게 말하는 것이다.
Very good. Okay, because your final goal is to speak in English fluently, I try not to speak in Korean. I try to speak in English. Okay, that might be difficult, but I'll still try. Now you need to make short sentences, a lot of them. Now you need to make a lot of short sentences. Now you need to make a lot of short sentences. Now you need to make a lot of short sentences. And what is that in Korean?
지금 당신은 짧은 문장들을 많이 만드는 것이 필요하다.
Okay, so we will make short sentences today, a lot of them. Okay, when we do, we must talk about verbs. There's no other way that we can talk about it without it. So, okay. Just make a sentence using have, had. Anything is fine. Just use one sentence with it.
I have a doll.
Okay. You said I have a doll. Then maybe I can say, oh. Can you make it?
How do you had a doll longer?
Okay. The problem spotted. Okay, did you understand when I say this? The problem spotted. The problem spotted. The problem spotted. What does that mean?
문제 부분.
What was that?
문제 부분.
Oh, well, not really. Okay, wait a second. Just need to write things down now because I need to record and remember the problem you have now. That means the problem spotted. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Good. Problem is always good if you can solve it. That's always good. I will solve it. Don't worry about it. So that was this. You said this is this. And the biggest problem is that you don't know the first button of the close. You don't know what should be the first button. The first button should be this. Okay, I'll just teach you in this here. In English, it doesn't change. When you ask people this, it's always that. And can you answer this? What is 얼마나 오래 in English?
How?
Then what about this in English?
How?
So you think people will say how and they somehow recognize it? No, that doesn't happen. So this one is how long. when people ask you about the duration of time, it's always, always, always how long. Okay? How long? How long? Fine. That means you have this problem called how long. Then now, I'll just go with the simple things here. Make it.
How long do you sleep?
Okay, right. How long do you sleep? How long do you sleep? Right. And what about this? Can you do that?
How long do you eat?
Wrong. And problem spotted. What's the problem? I said this, you said that. That's a problem, but it's okay. I'll fix it. Another one is here. Could you wait? Yeah. Okay, that was this, and then you said this. And what happened there is, okay, I'll maybe say, how long is the problem? You didn't know. Then what's the problem? This is tense problem. Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So can you fix it?
How long did you eat yesterday?
Right. There's yesterday and you didn't even say it. How long did you eat yesterday? How long did you eat yesterday? Okay, then what about this?
How did you sleep yesterday?
Wrong. Do you know which part is wrong?
I don't know.
That is, how long did you sleep yesterday? That should be the sentence. How long did you sleep yesterday? How long did you sleep yesterday? Because even when I don't say how, like, 얼마나 오래, but it's the same meaning. 얼마나 잤나요? 얼마나 오래, same meaning. That's why. Okay, the problem is how long? Same thing. And until when do you think you do? No, I'll say you need to do it until you can't even make a mistake. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, what is it in Korean?
당신은 이것을 당신이 실수를 만들지 않을 때까지 할 필요가 있다.
Something like this. Yeah, right. What you're lacking is practice. You need to do it until you can't even make a mistake. You need to do it until you can't even make a mistake. What you're lacking is practice. What you're lacking is practice. What you're lacking is practice. What is it?
I don't know. Lacking.
Okay, lack. 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 That's a verb. That's lack. And also, of course, that's lack. So what if I say what you're lacking is practice?
당신이 부족한 것은 연습이다.
Right. But practice has many different ways. Some practice is see and understand. That's practice. Some practice is you listen and write. That's practice. Some practice is you see and speak it out. You are lacking the third type. Speak it out. You didn't do enough. That's why your English hasn't improved. I say things, you understand. Great. Your listening skill improved. But what about speaking skill? No. Why not? Because you are lacking practice. So we will do it. If you say enough, it will be yours. If you say enough, it will be yours. If you say enough, it will be yours. What is it?
만약 당신이 충분히 말하면 이것은 당신의 것이 될 것이다.
Right. You just didn't say enough. Like how long? You didn't say enough. Then what you need to do is you need to say it until it becomes yours. You need to say it until it becomes yours. You need to say it until it becomes yours. You need to say it until it becomes yours. What is it?
당신은 이것이 당신의 것이 될 때까지 이것을 말할 필요가 있다.
Right. So, okay. Then what about this? What about it?
How long do you play?
Okay. How long do you play? How long do you play?
How long do you spend time with your family?
Yeah. How long do you spend time with your family? How long do you spend time with your family? 이 문장 제가 전에 만들어줬었나요? 이거 처음 만든 거 아니죠? 이거 처음 만들거나 처음 말해본 거 아닌 것 같은데? Okay.
How long do you watch TV every day?
How long do you watch TV every day? How long do you watch TV every day?
How long did you talk with your sisters yesterday?
Perfect. How long did you talk with your sisters yesterday? How long did you talk with your sisters yesterday?
How long will you study next week?
How long will you study next week? How long will you study next week? Okay. Now, fine. All right, I think that's enough. I just need to make more homework about how long so that you can practice and you can make it yours. Okay, what would that be in Korean? You can make it yours by doing homework enough. You can make it yours by doing homework enough.
당신은 숙제를 충분히 하면 이것을 당신의 이것을 당신의 것으로 만들 수 있다.
Okay. All right, I'll say it that way. You can make it yours by doing homework enough. All right, that's what I wanted to say. And next thing is maybe I'll say, Dan, okay, how often do you do your homework?
I often do my homework
All right, clearly you don't understand. Okay. So you just need practice. You understand, I know, but so what? You can't answer. So I'll just make a sentence here. How often do you do your homework? How often do you do your homework? Okay, what is it in Korean then?
당신은 얼마나 자주 당신의 숙제를 하나요?
Okay, then how would you answer this question?
I often do my homework every day.
No, that's not it. You want to say, I do my homework every day. You don't say often. When people ask you often, you just say every day. Okay, I do my homework every day. I do my homework every day. What does that mean?
저는 저의 숙제를 매일 합니다.
Okay. Okay. How long does it take to finish your homework? How long does it take to finish your homework? Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, maybe you can answer first. How long does it take to finish your homework?
It it takes
Too long. It takes too long. You need to quickly answer now. But okay, it's just because you're lacking practice. I'll make it fast. It takes what?
It takes 15 minutes.
Okay. 15?
50.
Okay. Complete your sentence, please.
음, 음, 음. To finish my homework.
To finish my homework. Okay. It takes 15 minutes to finish my homework. It takes 15 minutes to finish my homework. Okay. The next is how long did you do your homework yesterday? How long did you do your homework yesterday? How long did you do your homework yesterday?
음, I did my homework on our yesterday.
Okay. That way you want to say for an hour yesterday. I did my homework for an hour yesterday. I did my homework for an hour yesterday. Okay, that's the sentence. The next is do you have many other homeworks too?
Yes, I had many homework others.
Oh, in that way you want to say do you have many other homeworks too? Do you have many other homeworks too? Okay. All right, how would you answer this again, please?
Yes, I have many other homeworks too.
Yes, I have many other homeworks too. Yes, I have many other homeworks too. Yes, I have many other homeworks too. Okay, then what about the time you take for other homeworks? How long does it take for each homework? Can you tell me?
My math homework takes one hour 30 minutes.
1 hour and 30 minutes. Wow, that's long. And what about others?
My history homework takes 40 minutes.
And are there any more assignments? I just checked it out actually because I realized that I actually knew homework is uncountable noun. We don't really count. But we want to say like this homework from this subject and that homework from that subject. So I just checked and then I found out that we don't really say homework that way. In that way, we say assignment. Do you know assignment? That's same as homework. But, I'm going to break the rule and I'll re-invite you.
I don't know assignment.
Oh, okay. I'll teach you soon, very soon.
He makes cookies to eat.
Okay. That is another thing. And that's, well, maybe I'll put it here. And I'll say this is, how would you call this sentence? This is this, but that plus what? What is this part? What do you say?
Preposition.
No, that's not. That is infinitive. 투부정사. Okay, another one. How'd you make it longer? Just try anything you can do. Okay, what else can you do?
He 음, 음,
Okay, class is over. I'll finish the class now, but please try to remember. 선생님 아까 말했던 거 기억해야 돼요. 입에서 안 나오는 이유는 단순해요. 그냥 다른 거 한 개도 없고 그냥 뇌에서 만들어서 입으로 뱉는 출력을 충분히 연습 안 한 것뿐이에요. 그냥 해야 돼요. 본인이 계속 입 밖으로 내는 거 연습해야 돼요. 한국말도 마찬가지고 영어도 마찬가지고 계속 해야 됩니다. 선생님이라고 안 그랬겠어요? 선생님도 그랬어요. 말 잘 안 나오고 그랬습니다. 근데 그거 고치면 고쳐져요. 그게 고쳐진다는 거를 나중에 깨닫게 돼요. 굉장히 시간이 많이 흘러서. 선생님은 우연히 좀 일찍 깨달은 거고. 그런 사람들 많아요, 정말. 많은데, 하면은 고쳐져요, 진짜로. 어, 그래요. 잘했습니다, 오늘. 52분 차까지는 굉장히 잘 대답하고 잘 이해하고 그랬는데, 52분부터 슬슬 뭔가 대답도 늦어지면서 또 막 엄청 목소리도 작아지고 그러더라고요. 근데 예전보다 좀 유지 시간이 길어진 것 같아요. 이런 것들이. 좋습니다. 수고했어요. 오늘 여기까지 하겠습니다.
네.
그래요.